Well, I'm trying to document the water that comes through the hillside. As you can see, this is the embankment for the railroad bed. And it appears that at one point in time there was a pipe that was placed under the railroad bed and actually came through the site and discharged to the swale, which is to the north of where we're standing. Right here you can see the water coming through the hillside, and actually there's a pipe just buried in the hill, and there was a small rain last evening, and on the other side of the railroad bed it takes in upland drainage and brings it onto the site. Here you can see it's running down the edge of the excavation to an area. Now, this has been occurring since we intercepted that pipe early on. Right now, I suppose you could estimate that there's probably close to 150 gallons a minute, maybe more. It's hard to tell because the water comes through the pipe and is splayed out over this area. We actually have a small pump installed to relieve as much of the water as we can on a regular basis, but during any rain event the water inundates the excavation, and obviously this has to be taken care of before we can ultimately finish the backfill. You can see here that we've begun the backfill, and our intention is to put a catchment basin here, a leaching basin, intercept that water, and then pipe it around the tank to daylight.